Okay, we're just quickly going to now look at market orders. And in our first screen here, we have the highlighted portion for sell. So in our market order, if we were looking to sell immediately at 50128, we would just simply press sell. However, should we want to buy, we would just tick the button which is highlighted 50178, and we would be entered into a position at that price. Now here, if you look at where we have the yellow highlight, it's the number 50. That is what's known as the spread. It's the difference between the sell and the buy price. Now I've taken this screenshot when it was out of hours. The spread is normally between 12 to 20. But that would mean that it would have to move, let's say, 12 points before you would be in profit. Here I've highlighted the segment we would enter into size. This is the number or the amount per point you want to trade. So I've done 2 mini contracts, which underneath you can see equals 4 South African rands per point. This can obviously be increased or decreased as you would need. Here we have 2 tickets. On the left hand side I've highlighted the stop. That is how many points away that the channel is. So if the channel was 174 in one of our previous examples, we would then put 174 in there, and no matter whether we went long or short, that would be the distance between our entry and the stop loss level. On the right hand side we have the ticket which is highlighted 100 for limit. That is our target. So as I said before, we were looking for at least 1.5 times our stop loss level. So in here we might put in the 320 points that we were looking at in one of our previous examples. Now here I've brought up what is known as a limit order. So if we do not want to enter the price that is highlighted at the top, for example the selling at 50115 or the buying at 50165, we can place where we have highlighted price level. We could put in a price of, let's say, 51000, and then underneath that we would have good till cancelled, or that drop down menu could also be good for the day. So then you would place that order and you would only be entered into a long position at 51000 when the price reaches that level, and hence you do not need to be at your screen and computer the entire time watching the market. And just below that you obviously also have your stop and your limit or target orders, so you'd also be able to place them in all in one order, so that when the market hits your level that you're looking to buy or sell, it would automatically enter you into that position.